a masterpiece of speed, now consumed by time and water.
Inside, nothing survives the passage of water and time.
Even the heart of this machine has been silenced completely.
From above, help finally begins to reach what was lost below. Even in ruin, structure still decides survival.
After years of silence, gravity finally changes its decision.
What was buried for years is now returning to the surface. Reveals it.
Careful hands now move what nature once claimed.
Now the wreck rests on metal, but it is not yet free to move. Every kilometer brings it closer to a second chance, but it is still the same broken legend.
This is where destruction will be studied before it is
What was once trapped in water is now held by steel above ground. It does not rise as a restored machine, but as a preserved memory.
Even its doors resist the idea of opening again.
Inside, time did not just stop. It drowned everything.
Even above, nothing survived.
What lies beneath is far worse than expected.
What remains is ready for the next level of destruction and rebirth.
What once powered speed is now frozen in decay. Reconstruction is not the end. It is the preparation for rebirth.
This is the true state of the machine before rebirth begins.
Damage is not removed instantly. It is treated layer by layer. A legend rebuilt without changing its identity.
One key awakens everything.
From darkness into reality again.
Now it doesn't just exist, it moves like a legend.
Time didn't just damage it.